I will leave a parts list in the description. That nipple at the end needs to be cut off with a hacksaw or rotary tool. I didn't show how to do that, but you probably could figure it out. This is the 24-meter arc. Basically stuck it in as far as it could. And then I took a Sharpie and marked it to the outer edge. Took a tubing cutter and then cut it. That's another view of it. Should have put heat shrink on this, but I do that later. It would make a better fit. Once it's in, you pull a little bit of tension on it, and then put a knot, and then cut it off. The remaining excess bungee cord. This is what should have been done before, but you can do it with the heat gun, but it's a little more difficult. Makes a tighter fit.